Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Daifuku. Daifuku is a sweet dessert from Japan that found its way to Hawaii. It has a chewy texture with sweet Azuki beans in the middle. So, let's get to it. Here are the following ingredients. You can make the sweet Azuki beans, but I found a canned version that made it easier to make and is still yummy to eat. First, add in the mochiko to a bowl and add in the sugar. Whisk it together. Then add in the water and mix it well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and heat it up in the microwave for 1 minute. Take it out and give it a nice stir. It'll be stickier and thicker each time it is heated up. Once again, repeat the same process. On the third time, heat it for 30 seconds. Set it aside to cool down. In the meantime, set down parchment paper on the work area. Cover the parchment with cornstarch. Then lay the mochi on top of the paper close to one edge. Cover the top of the mochi with cornstarch to prevent any stickiness. Flatten the mochi with a rolling pin. If it sticks to the rolling pin, dust more cornstarch to the mochi. Cut out circular shapes from the mochi using a cookie cutter, or in my case, I used a cup. After all shapes have been cut out, scoop in a generous amount of the Azuki bean and add it in the center of the circle. Take one edge and the other edge across from it and pinch it together in the middle to seal it. Repeat the same process for all edges. Place the folded sides down, serve, and enjoy this onalicious Daifuku. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!